Everything that is outside the store must go inside the store. We're giving you a few minutes. When we come back, everything must be inside the store. You do not rent the pavement. Dumelang. Everything outside the store must go inside. You only rent up until here, not here. This is not your part of your property. Take all your stock inside the shop. You rent up until here. This is not yours. We cannot continue saying the same thing over and over again. As in now, 10 minutes. As in now. The Gucci's are here. I saw Gucci. On Saturdays, this place becomes such a health hazard. Now, when we come and say, then we're going to add the requirements for fire, you guys are going to cry because the way you are handling this place is just not working for you. You guys can't protect profits over the people. So I need you to also take responsibility as business people here because I'll come and camp here, sir. I promise you, I'll come and camp here until you do the right thing. Morning, madam. How are you? I'm alright. How are you? I'm good, thank you. We have a program with power in the market for 4 days now. Maybe is there any way we can help?
Last week Saturday sifunde letter ebivela ku-ANC lapho bebekhala khona ngokuthi umeya waseTshwane ku-Dr. Nasiphi Moya uhlukumeza abantu abamnyama namabhizinisi abantu abamnyama ngalo msebenzi awenzayo. Lokhu kuvela emveni kokuba uDr. Nasiphi Moya efike kwenye indawo wathola umuzi onamaruma lako 13 kodwa ongekho registered nomasipala. Siyazi ukuthi ngokomthetho womasipala uma uzoba nabaqashi emzini wakho uyahamba uye kwamasipala ufike uchaza ukuthi uzoba nabaqashi ukhipha iplan funa ube neplan elidwetshwe umuntu oqualified. Okwesibili funa wazi ukuthi ngokohlelo likamasipala indawo eqashisa abantu iroom ngalinye liba lingakanani ngoba kunemthetho enjalo efuneke ucomply ngayo. Okwesibili abantu abaningi bahlala kuma residential areas ukushuthi indawo ekhandelwe ukuthi kuhlale wena nomndeni wakho ayikhandelwanga ukuthi kube nabaqashi. Kodwa ke uma sebekhona abaqashi kuneyinhlelo ezenziwayo ngokwamasipala kwaziwe ngoba iconsumption yamanzi izokhuphuka neconsumption yogesi izokhuphuka. So kufanele zonke lezo zinto lezo zihleleke. Okwesibili ufuna kuhlelwe ama-contract wabaqashi bakho. Zonke lezo zinto zifuna zihleleke ukuze wazi ukuthi uhamba kahle ngokomthetho. So ufika wathola indawo leyo enabaqashi kodwa ingarejistile nomasipala. Okwesibili khona la bathole khona imoshari. Kodwa ANC kalothi uhlukumeza amabhizinisi abantu abamnyama. Fika amalungu omphakathi kuye ezosubmit memorandum. Kodwa wayesephendula futhi wagcizelela ukuthi ngeke bayeke ukenforce ama-bylaws ngoba imithetho le kamasipala kufuneke wonke umuntu acomplye kuyo. Cela uzwe la.
Now, on the other side, which is the bylaw enforcement, the TMPD and the team bazawuqhubeka besenza bylaw enforcement because and bazawuzivala ispaza shop zabantu abangamelanga baba nespaza shops. And the reason why I was pleased to ngibona memorandum yenobana you not wanting to take the law into your own hands, and hence indibize uBrigadier Dlamini uKenneth Dladla ekhona naye neteam yobana I don't want you nithathe umthetho into your own hands, but as people abahlala kwezi communities, nothing stops you from pointing them to the houses. Do you know babasa operator even though banana license now? That's where you can help us, but allow them to do that work. Yobana, we have it by law, which is our law. This person, when you go to this address, this person are gonna see you. And that's why the Indabaye applications must happen as soon as possible. because the sooner we get the issue as lips, the sooner then they are bold, because they know exactly who is not supposed to be operating. Uyabona? Because if baya ngoku nonke nisenkingeni, uyabona? So what I will do, because MMC will then take it forward, MMC were to economic development, she's not feeling well, but she will then take it forward. We will obviously, because department will then coordinate to say one day everyone comes to help understand how Zubana is zoning, how Zubana is building plans, but Banik is Lipo Aba and we take it from there.
Base South Africa bashota nge-leader enjengo Dr. Nasiphi Moyo. I-leader ezophuma ilalela izikhalo zabantu, ikhulume nabantu futhi ibe sebantwini. Ukuze noma ithi kukhona esakulungisa abantu bazi ukuthi vele usalungisa. Hayi lama leader esinawo athi kukhona esakulungisa ngoba efuna niyeke le march enisuke ninawo ngaleso sikhathi. Maniqeda kuhamba nje bebekhohlwa yini. Kufanele mabethi cha siyalungisa nawe ubone ukuthi hayi balungisa ngempela. Sidinga ama leader nje azokwazi uku-engage nomphakathi. Ngoba egcineni kusuku votelwa yiwo lo mphakathi.
Bulls, everything, Lakers, everything, brother.
Let him the seal and then let him get you a new one. Let's take another one. Hey, maunya kasi. Come on.
Zathi senza ukuthi zithathwe lezi impahla ingoba zibranded yilezi ze label amajezi ebhola ngokuhlukahlukana kwawo yengakho ubone ethathwa kanje. Phela ngenzela ukuthi ungadideki ukuthi ubone kwabanye kuthiwa abafaka impahla ngaphakathi khona lathi khona ubone iGucci base bayasondela kube beyikhona beyizothathwa. Lezi ezinye ezingenagama azinankinga ngoba unalo ilungelo lokuthenga impahla noma kuphi noma kuseChina uzithengise kodwa lezi ezinama brand funa ube nemvume ukuzithengisa. Lezi nje ezine brand njengo Nike nani.
Passport umbontitsa yona shule kana ritso ya nnete or ba ma umbontitsa yona shule o tla.
Where is it? But who's the principal here? Mama, you are the principal. Oh, okay. Can we see your papers?
Remember, No, group property.
Okay.
Because they are owners. Yeah, that was last year.
Can you please just check what they've done?
When did you last went to
I'm
the
asking
border?
what they've done about this building since the last time.
No, I don't
Come again.
Is this
You're
the
using
meal
what?
plan? Is this the meal plan?
I don't know.
I don't hear you.
We're just checking the fridge if there's any food and
Well, there's 2 oranges.
Yeah, but they. Yeah, na le bona. Uteba, aqui tu ganha.
Lena ke i-crash phakathi kwi-building hijacked kukhona nje ovele wakhanda i-crash nabazali kufanele uyihlolisise indawo lapha abantwana bakho abazofunda khona i-crash ngoba kufanele babe safe uyabona apha kuneyintambo ezilengayo nendawo yakhona ayihlelekile kahle i-crash le ayikho registered ayikho semthethweni bese kugcineni kuthiwe uDr Nasiphi Moya uhlukumeza amabhizinisi wabantu abamnyama angazi noma usho ukuthi lento lezi esizibonayo fanele zenzeke na angazi le letter ANC ethi the African National Congress Greater Tshwane Regional Executive Committee condemns in the strongest and most unequivocal terms the declaration of war against black entrepreneurs by Executive Mayor Dr. Nasiphi Moya. The municipality's current campaign is not law enforcement. It is a vicious anti-black business crusade designed to systematically dismantle the township economy. Yiyo le lethe engikhuluma ngenza ngi-highlighta ngoba siyifundile ngeviki eliphelile. Azi ukuthi kunabantu abazothi vele wena uyayizonda i-ANC bese ngathi ngiyayisukela i-ANC kanti iyakhipha iletha. Yona yakhipha iletha kusiyimi angibambe le video ngicela ukuza ukuphala kwakho ngizwe ukuthi wena ubona kanjani kodwa ngale kwalokho mina nawe sidibana kwi video landelayo ngiyabonga.